Hi everyone! Welcome to my first IT tutorial of this semester. I'm super excited to share this with you because today we're going to create something that both essential and visual appeal. An eye-catching about this section for your website. Yay! This section is your opportunity to introduce yourself, share your questions, and connect with your audience. We will be building it using HTML for the structure and CSS for the styling. But that's not all. To make it stand out even more, we'll add some animation that's bring a dynamic, professional touch to the design. It's a perfect project for anyone who wants to learn how to make a website that's both functional and stylish. So let's dive in and start building something amazing together.
Okay, so we have to make a design first. Here I have made the design in Figma, which later will be entered into the Visual Studio Code. And don't forget to download the photo in SVG format. We will create a folder first to create the website that we will create. You can click right and open in terminal and you can type code space point and the Visual Studio Code are opened. Create the file name index.html and you can start following the code. For the body part, we can fill it with a div with the container class and text section class. And then we can use h1 for the title and paragraph for describing yourself. And after we create the paragraph, we can create a button and type explore more. And we will insert another div to insert the photo that we have made in Figma earlier. Don't forget to put class about in div emg section. And now we will add fonts from Google Fonts. The fonts that we use is Nunito fonts. You can get font in this and then get embed code. And for import link, you can copy that link and you can paste in the style. Okay, we will create some roots for the color that we use later. We have some BG color, text gradient, button BG, and button hover, and the border color. Yeah. Okay, you can follow the step by step of the video, and for the Google Fonts, you can copy it for in the website to the body section. Yeah. Yes, for the body section, we can style with the display flex, justify content center, align item sentence, center, main height 108 VH, and padding 20 px. Now we can start styling the container class and text section class. We also styling the text section in class with flex 1, 1 and 45%. We can start styling text section with the H1 and the paragraph. Oh yeah guys, to styling the H1, don't forget to input the text section class ya guys. We can start styling the button section, and we also add some hover in the button. For the button hover, we use the background color as button hover. We can start styling the about section for the image section, and you can save it with Ctrl S, click right and open in default browser, and you can see the output without the animation. So now we can add some animation in about. The name is gentle shake 2 second infinite is in out, and also in the body we can name it the animation as zoom in 1 second is out. Yeah. Okay, now we can start styling the animation with the keyframes. The identifier is zoom in that we already put in the body section. Yes, and you can follow this step by step. In animation zoom in, we can use transform scale 0.95, and for the opacity is 0, and we can copy it from 0 to 100%. Okay, now we can start styling the animation of the photo. That we can also use the keyframes. The name is gentle shake of the animation. You can follow it the code. But in this animation, we use transform rotate. You copy it and divide it into 5 parts. The first is 0%, the second is 25%, the third is 50%, the fourth is 75%, and the last is 100%. And we have finished making the animation. It's time to see the result of the code we made. Don't forget to save first, then right click and drag open in default browser. Yes, congratulations on creating a very interesting website with the animation using HTML and CSS.
And that's it. You've created an awesome About Me section using HTML, CSS, and some simple animation. It's a great way to introduce yourself and add a personal touch to your website. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep experimenting with different styles and animations to make your website stand out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!